$8 might just get mean. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say that you came with. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
The last one not to get the stove. Always top one up, bucket head. Always hit the streets and we break the code. Always hit the brakes when they on patrol. Always be the last one not to get the stove. Always top one up, bucket head. Always hit the streets and we break the code. Always hit the brakes when they on patrol. Always.
Imagine rock up in them projects with them. Pick your pockets, Santa Claus don't miss them stockings. Liquor spilling, just popping, get soda, y'all are whipping. Ain't no turkey on Thanksgiving. My homeboy just domed it. I just hope the Lord forgive him. Pots with residue. Every day I'm hustling. What else is a thug to do when you eat cheese from the government? Gotta provide for my dog and them. Get the up on my way. Got that drum and I got them bands just like a parade. Drop that work up in the bushes. Hope them boys don't see my stash. If they do, tell the truth. This the last time you might see my from the gardens where the grass ain't cut. Them serpents lurking blood. Selling, but it's all good. Broken promises, still you're watching. Tell you what time it is. Take your J's and tell you to kick it where the Falaka is. In the streets where they under my dungarees. Dreams of me getting shaded under a money tree.
Holly Berry or Holly Blue. Think it wasn't, tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shoe, but the one in front of another lives forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, through canals and alleyways. Just the streets is the perfect place for shading.
Be the last one not to get the stove. I wanna bucket head. Hit the streets and we break the code. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. Be the last one not to get the stove. I wanna bucket head. Hit the streets and we break the code. Hit the brakes when they on patrol.
Just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say that you came with. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
The last one not to get the stove. Always top one up, bucket head. Always hit the streets and we break the code. Always hit the brakes when they on patrol. Always be the last one not to get the stove. Always top one up, bucket head. Always hit the streets and we break the code. Always hit the brakes when they on patrol. Always.
Imagine rock up in them projects with them. Pick your pockets, Santa Claus don't miss them stockings. Liquor spilling, just popping, get soda, y'all are whipping. Ain't no turkey on Thanksgiving. My homeboy just domed it. I just hope the Lord forgive him. Pots with residue. Every day I'm hustling. What else is a thug to do when you eat cheese from the government? Gotta provide for my dog and them. Get the up on my way. Got that drum and I got them bands just like a parade. Drop that work up in the bushes. Hope them boys don't see my stash. If they do, tell the truth. This the last time you might see my from the gardens where the grass ain't cut. Them serpents lurking blood. Selling, but it's all good. Broken promises, still you're watching. Tell you what time it is. Take your J's and tell you to kick it where the Falaka is. In the streets where they under my dungarees. Dreams of me getting shaded buried under money.
They drove Halle Berry or Hollywood. Think it wasn't, tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shooter, but the one in front of a gun lives forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, through canals and alleyways. Just the streets is the perfect place for shade.
Be the last one not to get stole. I wanna fucking head. Hit the streets and we break the code. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. Be the last one not to get stole.